Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we will delve into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of March, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.13. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -0.39%. This amounts to an average loss of -0.20% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 18.81% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -40.58% to -5.22%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 87.81%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 66.22% and 268.68% over the coming year. In current values, this would mean the future price could fall between $479.17 and $1,062.80. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline: Stronger technical forecast for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price after Monday trading. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, the MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of nearly 0.4%, dropping from $289.41 to $288.27. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading session, the stock fluctuated by 8.09%, ranging from a low of $272.80 to a high of $294.88. Additionally, the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 2.04% during that time frame. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which can be seen as a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $4.27 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $543, while the lowest was $101. At present, the stock price is nearly 46.91%, or $254.73, below the 52-week high of $543. Which also represents the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, trading under the ticker MSTR, has recently experienced notable volatility, reflecting broader market conditions. On the 31st of March, 2025, MSTR observed a significant decline in value as part of a wider market trend impacting major technology stocks. This downturn occurs despite the company's strategic shift to leverage Bitcoin, providing investors with increased exposure to the cryptocurrency's price fluctuations through its substantial holdings. The company's reliance on Bitcoin presents both opportunities and challenges. With approximately 471,000 Bitcoin in its portfolio, MicroStrategy has benefited from heightened institutional acceptance of the cryptocurrency, which may drive future price appreciation. However, this heavy dependency makes the stock extremely sensitive to Bitcoin's price changes, raising questions about its long-term sustainability. Moreover, MSTR recorded an astonishing 3,000% increase over the past 5 years, propelled by aggressive accumulation strategies, including significant debt financing, amounting to nearly $25 billion. The recent introduction of the YieldMax MSTR short option income strategy exchange-traded fund indicates evolving investor sentiment and strategies surrounding the stock. This launch could attract short sellers, potentially exerting further downward pressure in the near term. As MicroStrategy aims for a $10 billion gain from Bitcoin in 2025, its stock may experience heightened volatility tied to Bitcoin price movements, especially given the looming economic uncertainties. In the long term, if Bitcoin continues to gain traction and attract institutional investments, MicroStrategy could solidify its market position, potentially elevating its stock price significantly. However, if Bitcoin struggles or market conditions deteriorate, MSTR's unique exposure could drastically impact its valuation negatively. Therefore, investors should remain cautious while monitoring both Bitcoin's performance and MicroStrategy's strategic adaptations. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Compass Point assigned MSTR a buy grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $316.16 and $295.94. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 15.66%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot point is established. Additionally, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 7 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $250.92 and $250.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, MicroStrategy Incorporated has support just below today's level at $250.92. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $250.51 and $239.27. This stock can exhibit significant movement during the day, indicating volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $22.08 between its high and low, which is an increase of 8.09%. Throughout the last week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 6.91%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at a loss of approximately 2.3 cents. It's important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $304.11. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $250.92. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Leslie J. Rican, who bought and sold 34,800 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.975. Overall, insiders purchased 323,097 shares and sold 441,226 shares during these 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated is currently displaying several negative indicators and is situated within a wide and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by $2.95, starting at $285.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.